Today we learn 5 EMA strategy that is given by Subhasis Pani sir of Power of Stocks. That will work very nicely in intraday also and swing trading also. In swing trading we are using monthly chart pattern, and intraday we are using 5-minute chart pattern. This you can use in cash trading also and as well as option trading also. So this strategy works very beautifully in the bearish market. What is the current situation in overall market? So we'll see in detail that how this strategy works and what is the screener, how you can use the screener to find out which are the stocks which are coming under the radar of 5 EMA in monthly chart. So first we'll see how we can use in intraday. So if you are using for intraday, you have to make the chart of 5-minute chart you have to make in tradingview.com or in your browser. Then you have to add one indicator that is called EMA. 5 EMA you have to add. This black color line is exponential moving average with a period of 5 and we are using in 5 minutes. These two things should be clear. 5-minute chart and EMA setting should be 5. Now you have to see in falling market. Suppose market is going up, then you have to wait for reversal. So reversal trade we will take, and we will search for a candle which is not touching the 5 EMA. So when market is going up, we will wait for the candle which is not touching the 5 EMA, and that low of that candle we will mark. So from here, this is Bank Nifty's chart of yesterday. So you can see then when market is going up, from the top you have to see the candle which is not touching the 5 EMA. So these all candles are touching the 5 EMA. Their low is crossing the 5 EMA. But this candle low is not touching the 5 EMA. So you have to mark the low of this candle. Okay. Now you have to wait for the next candle to close below this low. To close, not break, to close below this low. But this next candle breaks this low but did not close. So you have to wait for another candle. Now next candle forms which is again not touching the 5 EMA. So again you have to see whether this low of this candle is breaking and closing by the next candle. So you can see the next candle breaks also and closes also below this. So here you can take entry. At this point your entry will be there and your stop loss will be above the green candle high. Here your stop loss will be there, and never put stop loss just above the high. You put the stop loss just 2 or 3 points above that high, so that if some big players want to catch or algo trading wants to catch your stop loss, some chances are there you will survive. Many times it will go up here and then it will come again, it will come back. So better you should put the stop loss 2-3 points away from the high. Now you can see we will delete this all and we'll mark only this. We have found the candle which is not touching the 5 EMA. We have marked its low, and we have found the next candle is closing below this point. So here at this point, when the next candle closed, we have taken entry and our stop loss is at this point. This is our SL. So our risk is this much. This much is our risk. So we have to take profit at 1:2. 1:2 or 1:3 we have to take. If you are a defensive trader, like you cannot sit in profit, 1:1 is okay, but 1:1 will not give you money which will take care of your losses, because many times your stop loss will hit. So if you are taking 1:2, then only your losses will be covered. So after this, you have to wait until your profit target is reached. Do not in hurry to book the profit. So ultimately you will gain your target will be hit. Now what you have to do in buy side, when a market is going down, you will wait for a reversal and you will search for a candle or pattern, 5 EMA pattern, which you can take a trade on the upside. So how to take that? So you have to mark candles which is not touching the 5 EMA from the bottom. So if you see this candle is not touching the 5 EMA from the bottom. So this high we will mark, and this candle closed above this. So here you have to take entry. At this point you will take entry and your stop loss will be below this candle here. But next candle will hit your stop loss. Next candle will hit your stop loss. This will happen with every strategy. Your stop losses will hit. But if you stick to your system, you will get a good entry in the next time. So what happened next time? When you stick to your system, you will find immediately a next candle which high is not touching the 5 EMA, but this high is not broken and closed by the next candle. So your system is violated. Now you have to wait for another candle. Here you see again one candle forms, and this is not touching the 5 EMA, and after some time this high is broken and closed by this green candle. So here your entry will be there. You can take entry at this point, and bottom will be your stop loss, and this will be your risk. This entire thing is your risk. So you have to take reward 1:2 minimum. So if you see, if we are taking entry, and we'll see that long trade if we form here at this candle close, and our stop loss is somewhere here at the low of this red candle, and if we want to take 1:2, so our profit target will be somewhere here, and we can achieve that. So this is the whole system of 5 EMA. In option trading, option buying and option selling, both you can use this. This system works better in selling, like when market is falling from this point, it works better. In buying market, it works better in swing trading, in monthly chart that I am going to explain you. But you can try with that buying also with minimum lots. One lot you try. If you get confidence and this matches your psychology, trading psychology, then you can put more money and you can increase your capital for intraday. At least you are doing some system. So 5 EMA indicator you have to add, and chart will be 5-minute chart. Okay, this is 5 EMA and 5-minute chart we are doing in Bank Nifty and Sensex for option trading, and for cash you have to use in liquid stocks of Nifty 50 like TCS, Reliance, Tata Motor, HDFC Bank, this type of stocks which moves also and which follows the chart pattern nicely. So for swing trading you have to make your chart monthly chart. So suppose for example I am taking this Mahanagar Gas Limited, and this is monthly chart. Monthly chart, not weekly, not daily, monthly chart. Now this you have to use only for buying, because you cannot sell the stocks in cash market. For that future market you have to go. So what we have to do, we have to mark the monthly candles which are not touching the 5 EMA. So this candle is touching the 5 EMA. You can see this is touching the 5 EMA. So this is not in our system. This candle is not touching the 5 EMA. So we have to mark high of this candle, and we have to see whether next candle is, or next to next candle is closing and closing above this high, closing above this high. But no candle is closing above this high. Next candle forms, again this is not touching, so this high we will mark. This is touching, but this candle, this green candle is not touching 5 EMA, and we will mark the high of this. And after these 4 candles are touching the 5 EMA, but this candle will close above this level. This is our trigger level, and this candle closes above. So here we will take entry. At this point our entry will be there, and stop loss will be below this green candle here. Remember, here only we have taken entry, and after this we have to see whether this stop loss is hit. So no stop loss is hit. And now if you go with that our long chart, long, and you put long here, and your stop loss is somewhere here, and you want to use some 5, 2 or 3, you can take 3, 1:3 also you will get easily here, and even you got a lot more. If you take exit here also somewhere, you will take 1:4. Now again this same thing is forming here. You can see that again same pattern is forming, but you have to wait for the breakout. Last candle was not touching the 5 EMA. This candle was not touching the 5 EMA, so you have to mark the high of this candle. Now this January candle, if closes above this, we can take entry on that after closing, and our stop loss will be here. Our stop loss will be here, and if this candle closes above somewhere like this, you can take entry at this point. This will be our system. So if you have to find out in which of the stocks currently this type of patterns are forming, you have to use this screener. I will share you one screener. This will be in description box. This screener will be there in description box. If you click this, this page will open, and these are the stocks which are showing you, some 55 stocks which are currently showing this type of pattern where this monthly candle is below 5 EMA or not touching. So you have to wait for the candle which will close above this high. If it closes, you can take entry as per this system. So you can use this system with smaller capital. If you find out this profitable, you can put more money. We'll see you in next video. All the best.